And that is the noise I'm on about. Put in neutral. Right, switch it off. Put it in park. Right to front. You need to put your foot on the brake to do it.
Oh, it's real. It's only got 2 pedals, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's automatic. That's right. So I'm happy. It's not a transfer box. Good that, innit? Good how it lets you out. So I'm sort of happy. I know now. You don't want to know. I'll go in a minute. You got a car?
No, she came out. She'll come back out now. She'll come back out now. Don't know why. Because she's turned the car off. She doesn't like the noise that it was making.
Alright.
That's what it is. She fucking hates the noise, gas. I can't do the backing. I can't back it till she's in there with you and you're in there with her. Hey. And I want to batten out, wash my hair. Or I want to batten a bit before we go. Before it is bedtime. I want to wash my hair dead quick. I want to be able to fucking stay. Do you not want your other coat on? Try and get a pair of them for Lennon. Yeah? Or I want a full all-in-one for him. What are you doing? Don't go too far, Abby. Daddy's coming in now. I've got to go feed Maggie May. I do like that. Hi.
Come on in. I'm coming in, just give me a minute. Come on in. In. Hurry up. Put this chair inside, Chris. And that. I'm going to move the car forwards for you. Oh. Come on. In. He's got to back the car out in a minute. Move, Abby. Traipsing in a load of mud.
Stop fucking